Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Today we are going to do something a little bit different. We are going to use some pancake coils. These are beauties, aren't they? We're going to use some pancake coils to use a 1.5 volt battery to light a 12 volt LED. What we're going to use, there's my 12 volt LED, and we're going to be using we're going to call it a spark gap generator, high voltage module. So it's going to be very simple. I made myself a spark gap. So we're going to put the spark gap here, just so I can control the gap a little bit better than usual. And that's about it, I think. What else do I need? We need some joiners so we can attach the components. Which one's going to be the sparker? This is going to be the one the spark is going to be going through. So let's get this one. Don't need it. This one's for the LED. Let's get the LED hooked up first. So I'm attaching the LED to the two outside wires, or the outside and the inside wire of the spark gap coil. So as you know or not, the bifilar pancake coils usually have a center tap, so the inside wire attaches to the outside wire. So I'm left with an outside and an inside. The other end of that is going to there. Let's see the LED. Good. Put that over there. Now this side. I'm just going to use clips to attach it to the spark gap. So from the output of the module, the other output of the module is going to one side of the pancake coil. Another one. Another one. It's just interesting. What have I done? That's the center tap. Okay, there we go. It's just an interesting way. You can use transistors to do this if you want, and ultimately there is a transistor inside the spark gap generator. Is that it? That's pretty much it. Let me just finish off the connection for the LED. That's about it, I think. Take my 1.5 volt battery. I do this with my hand, which is a bit nuts, but spark gap sparking. Okay. And then, did I really do that? Let's bring that. Okay, so now we have the LED flashing with the spark gap, and as you can see I can adjust the gap to light the LED. That's one way to light a LED 12 volts with a 1.5 volt battery. Super simple, interesting. You understand, if you're doing it with a transistor like a Joule thief or something, that's basically what it's doing. It's switching, creating that alternating current, which is then going through the bottom coil and being picked up by the second coil. Nice, huh? Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.